Call AGM today for a free consultation and walk away with a UL 508A compliant control panel plan built around your exact operation. Not a generic quote, not a templated proposal. A real plan designed around your equipment, your facility, and your compliance requirements. That's exactly what Applied Gray Matter delivers from day one. Our team works directly with industrial engineers, plant managers, and automation integrators to build custom control panels that meet UL 508A standards without compromise. We cover everything: design, fabrication, testing, and documentation, all under one roof. Smoother inspections, reduced maintenance headaches, and panels built to scale as your operation grows. We've helped facilities go from inspection failures to full compliance with a single structured build process. And with long-term support for modifications and repeat builds, your certified panel designs stay locked in portfolio-wide. This free consultation costs you nothing but an hour of your time, and it could change how your entire facility operates. Dial 315-878-2372 and talk to the AGM team today. At Applied Gray Matter, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of industrial innovation. Our team collaborates closely with you to design, engineer, and deliver high-performance control systems that consistently exceed certification standards. We empower your business with cutting-edge technology, giving you a decisive advantage in a competitive market. Why partner with Applied Gray Matter? Choosing a UL 508A certified control panel fabrication shop gives you safer equipment, smoother inspections, and better lifecycle performance across all your facilities. Applied Gray Matter combines industry-specific experience with rigorous UL 508A compliance to deliver industrial control panels and custom control panel enclosures that reduce risk, simplify maintenance, and support future expansion. Single source for industrial control panel manufacturers, custom control panel manufacturers, and UL 508A custom control panel cabinet manufacturers services. Proven process for design, fabrication, testing, and documentation that aligns with UL 508A requirements and your internal standards. Long-term support for modifications, expansions, and repeat builds so that your operations maintain consistent, certified control panel designs portfolio-wide.